Hey Domino fans, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of buzz about a method that claims to unlock extra stars and coins in Domino Dreams. No PC, no complicated setup, just your phone. At first I was skeptical. Domino Dreams is all about slow, satisfying progress, so this sounded a little too good to be true. But after seeing it mentioned everywhere, I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and then we'll check the results together at the end so you can decide if it's worth trying. The first thing you'll need is your user ID. You can usually find it on your profile page or somewhere in the settings menu. It only took me a minute to locate mine. Once I found it, I copied it and saved it for later. This part is quick and pretty straightforward. After that, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work fine. I searched for the website that people kept talking about. When it loaded, there were no pop-ups or weird redirects. The page looked clean and normal, which I honestly wasn't expecting. Once I landed on the site, I used the search bar to find the Domino Dreams Stars and Coins tool. On the next screen, I selected my device type. I'm playing on Android, but iOS was available too. Then I entered my player ID, double-checked everything to be sure it was correct, and tapped Continue to move forward. Next, it asked how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a test, I chose the maximum amount. After confirming, a few progress bars showed up, going through different steps of the process. Everything was explained clearly, so it was easy to follow. Right before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were simple and easy to understand. I already completed that part earlier, so let's jump straight to the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened Domino Dreams again and checked my stars and coins. The extra resources were already there. No restart, no waiting. Everything updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. Based on my test, everything worked just like it was explained. The steps were easy, the site worked smoothly on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you followed the instructions. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.